Hi my beautiful fellow queens, welcome back to my channel. I'm Leorah for everybody who's new, and I'm really happy that you tuned in and that you found me. So today we have another video in collaboration with Wrapunzel, which I'm so grateful for, and today I will show you a few new things that I got from Wrapunzel, and we also will choose one thing that I'm going to wrap with. I'm just wearing my shaper right now, and that's how it's going to stay just till we choose what we want to do, okay? So for this PR unboxing, I just now took everything out of the box and out of the wrapping just to make it easier and save some time. And I'm just gonna go right into it, okay? And I'm gonna show you a few beautiful things, okay? So first of all, I want to show you this one. This is the Calluna Headband, and I'm so glad, thank you Wrapunzel, for putting names on. Because I'm just, you know, these names are amazing. It's just so hard for me to remember, so it's wonderful. Thank you. So look at this. Look at this. This is good. We're gonna have so much fun together, I promise you. Calluna Headband in blue. This is gonna be like that, like a beautiful centerpiece of a cake, like a cake. So this is gonna be stunning. And it's not going to be long till I use this, so, you know, watch out for it. So that's the Calluna Headband. And then you remember that for Hanukkah I really wanted to do something with silver, or someone had requested for me to do something with silver. So now I have something in silver from Wrapunzel, and it's called the Diamond Fields Scarf in silver. See how it sparkles? I hope it comes across. Does it come across that it is super sparkly? I love that. Like, if I could be, I don't know, if I could be described as something, then it would probably be sparkles and shimmers and all of that. So this is totally me. I mean, just that as a color is not me. Just, I mean, look at this, right? I mean, maybe I could pull it off with a strong makeup, but that would not be like my preference. But even with the Calluna Headband, let's just, you know, for the fun of it, just hold this here. The silver and the blue would be spectacular. So, okay, so you get the idea, right? So the next thing I got is the Cornerstone Scarf in green. Oh, this texture, the fabric is so soft and nice. Beautiful, beautiful color. I don't know. You have to let me know if the lighting shows this off, because I've been shifting around a lot with my lighting. Okay, so this is, it has fringes, and it is, let me just open this for you. That's how it looks. It's really pretty, and it's super comfortable on the skin. It's amazing. I wish I would have like a tunic out of this. Maybe Wrapunzel should start making tunics. The next thing is the Chiffon Scarf in teal. That is this one. And you all know I love teal. I always I tend to either do berry tones in my makeup or teals and greens. That's my go-to thing. And this is one of my favorite colors this whole last year. So thank you. And yeah, I can just imagine, and you will see in a second with what I would combine this. Like immediately my eyes were drawn to this one. So this is the chiffon. It is, of course it says already chiffon, so the texture is maybe a little bit more slippery than, for example, the Diamond Field Scarf that I just showed you. But I think one can work this. We shall see. I think even when you like crunch it up like this, it could really like create very elegant, fluffy kind of ornaments. So, but what I would like to combine that with, among other things, is this one. And this is the Dreams Come True Scarf, and I've used the Dreams Come True Scarf, wow, that name, a lot already, but now I have a different one. This is the one in teal, because it has like teal highlights everywhere. You know, you see that? Isn't that pretty? Isn't that super pretty? Yeah, so just imagine these two together. Wouldn't that be lovely? Or even, because it also has a lot of green, like green spots here, you could also use the diamond fields with this. Huh? Sorry that I'm always glancing to the side, but I'm just a little bit still insecure about my autofocus. I just want to make sure that I'm in focus. Okay, so let's just clean up here a little bit. Cornerstone Scarf was this one. Okay, now I have one that brings out the boho side in me, and that's the Bold Strokes scarf. And I saw that already a couple of weeks ago online and immediately fell in love with this one. Like this. Just imagine. Isn't that the coolest thing ever? And it has those colorful thingies. I don't know what they are called in English, but those things, you know? So this is so pretty. Huh? Are we gonna have fun, or are we gonna have fun? Then there's something that I never thought I would have, and that is the Mystic Mirror scarf. And I saw actually a picture that was posted by Wrapunzel, or was it a video? I'm not sure anymore, about this scarf. This one. So one side is black and one side is, what's it called? Pewter? Is that pewter? Anyway, so this is something, and I think I'm going to rise to the challenge and use this one today, because it also sort of fits to my clothes, and because I just want to have the experience of using this, because I've never ever used anything like this, a texture like this, and it is a tiny little bit like stretchy, but I have no idea how to use this. So let's see what comes up. And there is one more thing that is not yet online, and it doesn't even have a name, but they sent it to me already, and I can show you. So watch out for this, you know, when it's being released or whatever. And this is this. Girls, do you see this? Does that come across like amazing? So this you could then use like, you know, an ornament like this. I'm just holding it like gently against my shaper so you can see it better, like this. This will instantly turn you into a queen. Like if you okay, we will work with this. We're going to do something stunning with this, I promise you. But for today's video, I want to use this, as I just told you, and let's just see what we can come up with. What you don't see right now is that you see this, right? And I am wearing a black skirt. So I basically want to bring up that black again on the top part of my body, sort of to balance the whole look out. So I'm going to wrap this actually with the black on top for now. And let's see what happens. I'm going to turn a little bit to my big mirror here, so I can stop looking at the viewfinder. Well, this scarf makes a lot of noise. Do you still hear me? Okay, I'm going to tie a knot in the back, because that is just what I always do. It makes me feel more safe and more like it relaxes me more, and then I know I can go all kinds of ways when I'm wrapping. So that's just my personal preference. And I don't know if I mentioned it, I'm wearing the Wendy shaper, because as you all know, if you are here with me for a while, that the Wendy shaper is my to-go-to shaper. And especially when I get something like this and I have no idea what I'm doing and no plan, then I just want to have, you know, my safety blanket. All right, so this is good. It's black. It's unusual for me. So, but what I want to do maybe is, first of all, I'm wrapping the black all around the pewter. I don't know if it's pewter, but I'm just going to call it pewter because I don't know how else to call it right now. And I'm just putting it here right in the middle and tucking the end in the back in itself. So now let me think. What should we do? I think I want to... One second, let me just get something. Okay, I'm going to take a rubber band and I will bring up this side here, and I just have to like switch it around, because now I want to bring the shiny part to the front and fold the black inside. Bring it up. And now I just have to make a decision where I want to place the rubber band. Maybe something like here. I think it always looks more flattering when it's a little bit off center. Let's just put that rubber band around here. And you can, if you have a nicer rubber band, then please use a nicer one. I just don't have a nicer one. Let's just pull this tight so it's like really focused on one spot. Okay. And now what are we doing? Now I'm just going to spread it out, I think. And spread it out like this. What do you think? Would that be nice? I think that's what we're doing. To bring it down, like almost down to the ears here. So basically you have the black as your base and as your frame, as I always say, as your frame around your face. And then you have this highlight of the mystic mirror itself. So I think that is really cool. Okay, so now I just have to make some effort to put this away here, to tug it away in the back. And without having seen it now from the back, I think this is pretty awesome. I'm going to turn around and show you. So let me know how you think, Let me know what you think about this. I think this is pretty cool. So what shall we call this? I think it's going to be the Mystic Mirror Wrap. Okay, I mean, you can of course do that with all kinds of other scarves. I think when you have like two sides of something, that could work, you know. But I really like that, and I also like the, you know, how it holds itself up, because it has this special feel to it. You know, I don't know how to explain it. I hope I'm making myself clear what I mean, but you'll just have to try it. This is something I would never have bought for myself, because you wouldn't believe, but I shy away from stuff that is like synthetic, like that has the feel of, I don't know how to explain it, because I'm drawn to stuff like this that is like, it feels natural, like cotton and stuff like this. But first of all, it's always good to rise to challenges. It's very liberating, and it is always, you know, I'm just reinforcing the thing that yes, I can, and yes, I can pull this off. I can totally pull this off, you know. I'm really happy about it, so I like it a lot. Okay. So one more thing that I wanted to talk to you about is, before we wrap this up here, I wanted to talk to you about the comments on Wrapunzel, on my video, okay? So I just realized now, a couple days ago, that of course Wrapunzel is also posting my videos on their YouTube channel, and I had no idea. It just didn't occur to me, and it might sound really stupid, but as I said, I'm new to this whole social media thing and all of this, and I still lack awareness in a lot of things. So it just occurred to me that people are commenting or leaving comments under my videos on the Wrapunzel channel, but comments that are for me. And all of this time I have not checked a single time that there are comments for me. So please, if you left comments there and you thought, well, this woman is not answering, or she's not whatever, that is because I wasn't aware that there were comments there, because I don't get notifications about that. I only get notifications about the comments that have been left on my channel. So if you want to make sure that if there is a message for me specifically, or something you want to see, or something you want to say, then please make sure to leave them on my channel, because I will not really see them on the Wrapunzel channel, because I just don't have the time to go there and check everything there too, because I have a lot to do with my own channel. Okay, so if you don't mind, that's just the situation, okay? If you leave comments there, I will most probably not see them, and if you did leave comments there and asked me to do something and I didn't reply and I didn't react to it, I apologize. It's really just because I was not aware that there are comments for me, okay? And I also want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for all the positive feedback that I'm always getting, because I had under my Kiki wrap, my last wrapping tutorial that I did, I think 2 weeks ago, I had on the Wrapunzel channel a very negative comment that was really, really, really affecting me, and I thank Wrapunzel for taking it down, because that was really, really hard and hurtful for me. And because it was not just criticism, it was just hateful, and I don't think I deserve that. I think that yes, people do not need to understand me or the way I want to look or the way I am, but then, you know, then just don't watch me. You know, you don't need to leave hateful comments. So I just want to thank you for the support I'm getting, and for all your loveliness, and also for Wrapunzel to sticking with me, you know, because I think I'm really just serving one niche of people. And there are a lot of people, a lot of other people who do not necessarily appreciate what I'm doing, which is fine, you know, because everybody has their own place, and it's fine. And I just want to encourage you, if you're sort of on the fence about me, I'm always saying that you can take the wrap that I'm doing wherever you want, you know, you can tone it down, you whatever, you know, you do not have to be like me, you do not have to wear makeup, you do not have to, you know, I don't want to ever get this message out to you that you have to be like this. This is my passion, this is where I want to be, this is how I see myself sparkling, and you can sparkle in a totally different way, you know. So that's just what I wanted to say, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new here and you liked it, then please like and subscribe, and you can always feel free to leave your comments in the comment section. You also find all the things that I showed, that I wear, in the comments, no, not in the comment section, in the description box. And besides that, I just hope that you'll come back for my next video, and up until then, hugs and kisses. Go ahead and sparkle. Bye.